Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to make passport size photo. Okay, so it is the best and so simple way. Just watch this video till the end. Okay, and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question and cannot make the passport size picture, just go to the Telegram in your mobile or other and search here MRWIP. If you have a Telegram, join the Telegram, install Telegram from Play Store and search Mr. Whip on Telegram. Okay, when you search Mr. Whip, this channel will come to you. Just click here. When you click here will be the join button. You have to join this button, and if you have any question, just leave a comment in here. I will solve your problem. Okay, now we have created the image passport size picture. So first of all, if you have Photoshop, just open Photoshop and go to the file manager. Click here file manager. Now this is the you have to new and open. Open means you have to open the image which you want to add to Photoshop. Okay, now open the image. If for example I created a passport size image, how can I do that? Just you go to the your computer and select the image which you want to make a passport size. For example, this is the image which I have created. Okay, now I just select this picture. Okay, now when I select this picture, you will see this is the image which I have created. So what can you do? You have to, first of all, you have to change the background, change everything. So for this purpose, you have to create new image. Okay, just click on the file button. When you click on the file button, after clicking on the file button, click on the new. When you click on the new button, you have given it to a size. Okay, for sizing you have to just go here weight you convert it into the inch. Here you write it 1.5, and here you write this as 1.5 and 2, and the resolution is 300 or 200, same. Okay, now 1.5 and 2, you have to just click on the OK button. When you click on the OK button, this image has been created. Now what can you do? You have to copy this image to here. So just select the move button. This is the move button, and select this image. I have just simple way. Select the polygon, select this, and after you have to select this image. Okay, now I select this without background. Okay, because in passport size many of people need a white or blue background, so I going to here and only select the photo of this picture without its background. Okay, you have to go to make it simple. If this is not a green background, that's why I am doing this. If you have a green background, you just skip this step. Okay, now this image has been selected. What can you just select the move tool, and when you select the move tool, just drag drop here to there. Okay, now what can you do? Just click on the Control T button. Control T. Okay, after Control T, you have to resize this image to here that fit this. Okay, now I fit this. Just click on the this enter button or anything. Just I click on the enter button. Now this image has been created. You see, I have just this is the things which I don't. If you have just something wrong, for example, I do wrong with it, so just click on the Control Z. Everything come back. Okay, now I selecting the eraser to erase the thing which I have done. Okay, this is the I selecting wrong image. Okay, now I make it precise. Okay, after that you need a green background. What can you do? Just come here and there is a layer option. This is a layer, and you have to click here. This is a new layer. Okay, you see that new layer. Click on create new layer. When you click on the create new layer, now go to the color. This is the color. Click on the color and select the blue background. Okay, just I am selecting the background, blue background. Where is the blue background? Blue background is this is the blue background. Okay, now just select this, create on the OK, and another color, just change it both color to green. Okay, now I convert both color into green. Now what can you just click on the, this is the paint bucket tools. You have to just click here, and I have told you that first of all you have to create new layer. Okay, now just when you select this bucket, just select here and the image will blown up. But what can you do? Just this is the background. Okay, now come here to the layers. In layer section you see that this image is below these layers, so select this image and make it above the green layer. Okay, you see now this image has come above the green, so this image has been created with a green background. Now you have to convert it to add photo. Okay, so for that purpose you have to do, for that purpose you, what can you do? Just go to the file manager, file. Okay, file, you have to create new image. Just click on the new. When you click on the new, there is a option, you have to just select the image. What can you just click on the custom and select here 4 multiply by 6. You have to select this. Okay, this is the present size 4 multiply 6. You have to select this, and now click on the OK button. When you click, this image has been created, a page or image. Okay, I have gone wrong. Don't do anything with it, it is anything. Okay, now when this image is come, you have to rotate this. Okay, for this purpose you have to select this image. Now what can you, I have select this image, but okay, now select this image and go to the image section. In image you come back and search here, this is the rotate. Go to the rotate and click on 90 clockwise. Just I click on the 90 clock, you see that this image has been rotated. Just resize it. Okay, now this image has been created. Now first of all, the image which you have created, click on that image, and when you click on that image, just click on the edit. Okay, and go to the, you have to make a border. So for bordering, just click on the stroke, and after stroke you have give to white color. White color is best, and give here the 3 pixel. Okay, now click on the OK button. Now you see this, there is a border created in this image. Okay, now what can you do? I have created 2 layers, so you need to join these 2 layers. Okay, for this purpose you have to click on the layers and go to the merge visible. Okay, now this image has been created to single layer. After this when this image, this is the image. Okay, now just click on the edit and click on the define pattern. Define pattern, this image has been selected, and give it name passport size. Passport size. Okay, click on the OK button. Now this has been added to the pattern. Now select the image which I have selected. This is the image. Okay, now when you select this image, just selecting this image, go to the image edit. After go to the edit, you have come here and select the fill. Okay, select the fill button. After when you select the fill button, there is everything present. Pattern you have to select. If there is selected foreground or other thing, you have to select the pattern. After selecting the pattern, you have the custom pattern. Custom pattern, just select here and select the image which you have created. I have selected this image which I have created. Okay, and now click on the OK button. Wow, amazing. So and best thing is happened. So this has been created. Now you can select fill, can save this image, save as PNG or anything, and save it and go to the shop and print it. It's the best and simple way. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel please, and if you have any question, if you have just a picture and want to do this thing, you can send me. Just go to the Telegram and search here MRWIP Mr. Whip, and this channel is come to you. Just select this and you have to just join this. Here will be the join button. You have to join button, join. Okay, and then leave a comment. Okay, thanks for watching.